What if your phone selfie could become a passport-ready photo in minutes, and people would pay you for it? Everyone needs passport and ID photos for passports, visas, green cards, and job applications. With AI tools like Nano Banana, you can turn selfies into compliant ID photos and sell this as a service. Photo studios are expensive and inconvenient. People travel to studios, wait in lines, and pay $50 to $100 for a single set of photos. People also fail because of wrong size, background, or lighting. Official ID photos have strict requirements. Wrong dimensions, colored backgrounds, or poor lighting all result in rejection and wasted money. AI can fix lighting, center faces, replace backgrounds with pure white, and crop to official sizes instantly. What once required a professional photo studio can now be done from home in minutes. AI ensures every photo meets official standards for passports, visas, driver's licenses, and employment applications. The process is simple. 3 steps. First, clients upload a selfie. Second, you prompt the AI to adjust it to passport standards. Third, you deliver ready-to-print digital files. The entire process takes less than 10 minutes from upload to delivery of multiple file formats and sizes. Who pays for this service? Travelers need passport photos before international trips. Students need ID photos for school applications and visas. Immigrants need photos for green card applications and visa processing. Job seekers need professional photos for background checks. Anyone needing quick ID photos from home is a potential customer. This is a high-volume, recurring need with millions of potential customers worldwide. You can sell this service on multiple platforms. Launch on Fiverr to reach people searching for passport photo services. Sell on Etsy services to reach travelers and students. Join travel forums and Facebook groups where people ask for photo solutions. Build your own simple website to capture direct sales. Advertise on Reddit communities focused on travel, immigration, and visa applications. The demand is consistent and the market is actively searching for solutions. Let's talk money. Charge $5 to $20 per photo set, depending on how many formats and sizes you provide. Offer multiple sizes in one pack: US passport, EU ID, visa photos, and driver's license sizes. With volume and repeat customers, you can earn $500 to $1,500 per month. Upsell 1-hour delivery for an extra $5. No cameras, no studio, no printing equipment needed. AI ensures clean, compliant photos in minutes. You don't need photography skills or expensive equipment. You just need to understand the requirements and deliver consistent, official standard photos. Here's how to start today. First, study US passport and EU ID photo rules. Download the official specifications. Create sample outputs from your own photos. Second, create your gig on Fiverr or Etsy with clear pricing and sample photos. Third, list your service with fast delivery guarantees to attract customers. Start with a few customers, gather testimonials, and scale through word of mouth and repeat business. This is AI side hustle number 6. Simple, high volume, always needed. Follow for the next AI side hustle opportunity. Turn AI into sustainable income. Let's go.